A couple of days ago, I shot a video and showed this area at the aft end of the lower cabin where I had never gotten around to redoing the paint. And there was a bit of a crack between two pieces of plywood that made up that bulkhead. So since then, I have filled that crack with thickened epoxy and put a coat of paint in there. This is just one coat of paint. I can see I need to put another one in, but the weather hasn't really been compatible with painting down here. So I've been waiting. At any rate, this is what it looks like now. Note that I have not repainted the steps. They need it, but they need to be painted with a nice hard finish paint because they get a lot of traffic. And I have not done that because the paint I need to use does have a smell for quite a while after it's applied, and my wife doesn't like it. So I'll do that at the end of the season.